Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope really well.
Hey, I gotta go pee. Do you mind if I go pee?
Not at all. Yeah, it's your house, so yeah, when nature calls.
That's a different channel.
Yeah, a good channel, but so this is something I put together. It's a cold weather kit.
Oh, you gotta start over, dude.
No, I'm gonna leave it all in there. No, it stays. That was Fernbark. So this is a sea line dry bag. I forget how many liters. Oh, 5-liter dry bag. And the idea with the dry bag is simply that if it's raining like it does here in Washington, or you know, a water elemental comes up and douses you and you're all soaking wet, you have some warm items you could throw on, and then the whole thing I can just throw down inside my pack. You know, it doesn't weigh very much. I didn't bring a scale, sorry. Actually, I think let's borrow Fernbark's. Is there batteries in it? Is there batteries? It's got batteries in it. Oh wait, there's a button right here. Durr. So there's front buttons. Jeez. Come on. 0 out. Alright, I guess I'll weigh it at home and just tell you what it weighs. Just being stubborn. Okay, so what I have in here. Now this is a work in progress. So I haven't actually completed this, but some of your ideas in the comments might be very useful. So I just have a trash liner. You know, so you got a little shelter element. I have a neck warmer. So the neck warmer just kind of goes over. You might have seen me wearing this in other videos. Plus, you know, if you want to go ninja, you're good to go. So when I'm out in the woods doing my shinobi thing, you know, I fit the image. So, neck warmer. I have a pair of fancy gloves that I bought at Target. They have a little zipper for hand warmers, if you want to put them in there, or you know, money, drugs. So if my hands are freezing, like sometimes when I'm at the park filming, my hands will get very cold. So I have a pair of gloves I can toss on, and then just a watch cap, also from Target, so you know it's high quality and fancy. So, you know, you gotta have something warm on you. Plus, you know, as I mentioned, ninja mode. So, yeah. So just an idea I had, something to throw together, just so I'd have these if I needed them. Gloves, you know, hat. I think it may be a microfiber towel I could throw in here, so I could, if I was wet, I could dry my hair, dry my face, dry my hands, so I'm not putting on wet gloves or putting on a wet hat. So that might be a good addition. Plus, hand warmers. But to be honest, I've never used a hand warmer before. It's just, I mean, it gets cold here, but it doesn't get like super cold. So, just a little something. I just kind of threw it together. So if you have any ideas or input, things that you would add. Of course, it doesn't get, like I said, it doesn't get super cold here, but it does get pretty chilly. So it might be some items to have. Could help you out. So there you go. So as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Okay, so Fernbark brought his scale and it's actually working now. So because I hit the button, but I did not press the button. So
you must press the button.
So 1 pound, 3.2 ounces. That's bag, hat, neck warmer, and everything. So.